looked out your window, you're going to see that rain coming down for some of us.
Yeah, a couple showers, especially if you live to the south of Knoxville. Some light showers moving through. I am watching the potential for some strong to even possibly severe thunderstorms as we go throughout the remainder of the day and into this afternoon. In Tellico Village right now, they're seeing some rain, so the boats aren't moving this morning, but you can see some raindrops going by on the camera. Now, most of the shower activity is, as I said, off to the south, so this will continue to move off to the east throughout the remainder of the morning, but this isn't the severe weather that I'm watching as we go into the remainder of the afternoon. Temperatures this morning already in the 70s, 76 in Knoxville, 75 in Maynardville, 71 in Wartburg, and 70 degrees in Fairfield Glade. Now, for the rest of this afternoon, we're warming up into the upper 80s for our afternoon highs. But as we go towards this afternoon, we're about a 30% chance we see some showers and some storms. Some of these could be on the strong to even possibly severe side as we go in through the remainder of the afternoon. High temperatures today elsewhere in the 80s, 85 in Morristown, 87 in Gatlinburg, 89 in Tellico Plains, and 84 degrees in Crossville. So if you were watching Good Morning Tennessee earlier, you saw that we were under a 2 out of 5 risk. The SPC just updated. You can see a lot of our areas now under a 1 out of 5 risk. This is good news. This also underlines just how uncertain the forecast is as we're going into the remainder of the afternoon. I still think we could see some strong storms, possibly even severe storms, but I think the ingredients aren't as there as what they were looking like this morning. We will still monitor things for some heavy rain, some gusty winds, and some small hail with any storms that do develop later on this afternoon. Another round of severe weather does move through for your Monday. Notice this orange color, a level 3 out of 5. Generally areas east of I-75. The yellow, a 2 out of 5. So again, some rounds of severe weather moving through for your Monday. You can see first thing tomorrow on Monday morning, could already have some rain, some storms moving through. They continue into the afternoon. So a lot of kids heading back to school. Could be a wet bus ride home, also a wet drive home for your Monday evening commute. We will be monitoring those storms come Monday. As the sun sets, a lot of energy is taken out of the atmosphere, and things do start to dry out towards Tuesday. For Monday, what we're watching out for, heavy rain. I think the biggest threat is some wind damage. There also is a very low end chance we could see a quick spin up tornado. Important to remember, it's low, but not zero. So it's important over the next 48 hours or so, make sure you have our app downloaded, just search Knoxville Weather. The idea is you want multiple ways to get watches and warnings. A good NOAA weather radios always does the trick. And of course, stay with us here on WATE 6 on your side. We will keep you updated as the rounds of severe weather do continue to move through our area over the next couple of days. So for the rest of the day, we are weather aware, strong storms possible. More strong storms are expected towards Monday afternoon and evening. Then we do start to dry things out towards Tuesday. It's slightly less humid and dry. Notice more storms are in the forecast come Wednesday and Thursday of next week. Slight chance the rain does linger towards the end of the week and into the start of next weekend. But the idea is over the next 48 hours, have multiple ways to get watches and warnings, and be sure to check back in on the forecast.